Here's a quick video to highlight this natural ash bowl. One thing that makes this bowl so unique is its shape. So it's a really deep bowl and it's shaped much like a pot. So it starts out down here at the bottom and then gradually comes in. It doesn't have a hard or harsh lip on the inside, but it does definitely shape in and has more of a closed rim on the opening. It's about 11 inches wide at its widest points down here on the hips. I guess I'd call it the hips of the bowl, and the opening is just over 8 inches wide. So this bowl has a lot of really unique natural features, including a couple of spots where on the outside where there are bark inclusions. The bark inclusions, there's also a few knot holes. All of these have been reinforced with resin. So none of them should shrink and fall out or create any problems in the future. The outside has been, sanded. It's very, very smooth. There's not a lot. There's a little bit of texture to it, but it's a very smooth surface. You can probably see some of the light reflecting off of it. It's a pretty glossy finish as well. So it's nice and smooth to the touch. It's got a nice deep interior of the bowl. There are many different things that you could use this bowl for in your home. We call pieces like this functional art. It could be used in your home decor. It could be used in your kitchen. With its closed rim, it would be a great way to toss salad, keep fruit in it. There's a lot of different uses that you may find for a bowl like this in your home. If you'd like to make this really unique natural bowl part of your collection, we've got a link in the description below that'll take you to this bowl on our online store. From there you can pick it up. We'd love to ship it to you.